I find that place, that secret place, a place where I can go. For you shall hide me in your tabernacle from the rain and the storm, and even when my enemies pursue me, you keep me safe from harm.